So you will take a loaf of garlic bread or masala bread or whatever bread you like, and just cut them into slices. So here I have taken some olive oil. In that I'm gonna add some butter. It's like 50% olive oil, 50% butter. Okay, I'm gonna add some paste of garlic, like 1 teaspoon, and just gonna mix all this nicely. If you want, you can use only olive oil or only butter. I'm mixing both of them together with some garlic. So garlic, olive oil and butter, this thing is ready. Apply it on the bread we just cut. Okay, generously applying it. I'm just gonna microwave it. You can either microwave it, bake it, or you can make it on a tawa. I'm gonna do the quick way, microwave. Like that, I'm gonna do all of them. So that is basically a garlic bread. You have to put it on 100% microwave for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on your microwave, and that's how you get your garlic bread. And I'm gonna show you how you can give a twist to it. Just hold on, let me just finish this. See, so that's after 3 minutes in my oven. So they are nice and crisp. You can see, nice and crisp. So now for the twist. So these are your basically garlic toast. Now if you want to add some more flavor and spice to this, you can top it up with some onions. Okay, some tomatoes, how about some bell pepper? Nice, colorful. Now some chili flakes, paprika, and some oregano and black pepper with little bit of salt. Oregano, black pepper and some salt, just sprinkles. Okay, if you have garlic powder, you can also sprinkle some garlic powder. Now for the best part, how about some cheese? This is basically a mozzarella cheese. You can also use normal processed cheese. So I'm gonna put this baby back into the oven for 30 seconds to a minute, so that the cheese melts and settles it. Oh, olives. Okay, olives on top. Okay, so I'm gonna put this toast back into the oven for 30 seconds to a minute, so that the cheese melts, and voila, it will be ready. So that's our toast, garlic toast, all ready to be served. Okay, nice, tasty, beautiful, crunchy. You can either bake them, microwave them, or if you like the crispy outside and soft in between, then you should use the tawa. This is like proper crispy toast. Okay,